Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best in tech and gear. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best backup camera wireless night vision available right now. The AUTO-VOX 2 Solar Wireless Backup Camera System. Inside the box, you'll find the 7.2-inch HD monitor, 2 solar-powered wireless cameras, mounting hardware, and all the essentials for a 3-minute setup. Yes, you heard that right. This system is designed for quick installation with absolutely no drilling or complicated wiring required. The cameras are versatile in mounting. Use the included screws for a more permanent option, or go with the magnetic base for easy removal and portability. This dual camera setup is perfect if you're switching between trailers, campers, RVs, or even horse and boat trailers. Once mounted, just plug the 7.2-inch monitor into your vehicle's lighter socket, and you're good to go. The screen turns on automatically, giving you a wide 16:9 aspect ratio view with full 1080p HD resolution. That means sharp, clear images whether it's midday or midnight. Speaking of midnight, night vision is where this camera truly shines. Thanks to infrared technology and a CMOS sensor, the AUTO-VOX 2 handles low-light environments like a pro. You'll see everything from lane markings to license plates, even in pitch-black conditions. One of the standout features is the split-screen display. With both cameras active, you can simultaneously view what's happening behind your vehicle and along the side or trailer. Perfect for lane changes, highway merges, and tight campsite parking. The fixed and flexible camera design means the rear-view camera stays with your truck after detaching a trailer or RV. Ideal for full-time RVers or weekend warriors who still need reliable backup visibility when running errands with just their pickup. These cameras charge using built-in solar panels, a game-changer for long trips or frequent use. Say goodbye to manual charging and hello to consistent performance no matter where your adventures take you. And it doesn't stop at visibility. The AUTO-VOX 2 comes with built-in DVR functionality. Just pop in an SD card, and the system will record every mile, every reverse, and every unexpected moment, overriding old footage automatically so you always have the latest recording. Whether you're cruising down the highway or backing into a crowded campground, this system has your back. So if you're looking for the ultimate wireless backup camera with solar charging, night vision, and rock-solid performance, the AUTO-VOX 2 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this one. Drive safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.